Hello students, now in the last video we have seen that calculation of quartile, decile and percentile for continuous series, right? Now in the exercise 3.4, now today we learn how to calculate quartile, decile and percentile for discrete series. Now we read the sum. The following table gives ages of 80 students selected from a college. So here n is equals to 80 is given. Now see here age and number of students, that table is given, and below this find median age. That means median is given to find out. Also find out quartile 1, decile 4 and percentile 3 2 for the age and interpret them. Okay, now let's see the sum, that how to calculate quartile, decile, percentile and median for discrete series. Now see here ages and number of student, this is already given. So now we require only CF. So we have found out CF. Calculation of CF, that is easy, right? First of all, calculation of CF, that is to be calculated from the frequency only. Now here first frequency, that is 11 is given. This is x values and this is frequency, right? So 11 write down as it is 11. Before 11 it is termed as 0. So 0 plus 11 11, 11 plus 14 25, 25 plus 22 47, 47 plus 15 comes 62, 62 plus 8 70, 70 plus 6 76, 76 plus 4 80, right? In the sum also number of students, that are 80 given, and here also 80 comes. That means our CF is correct. Now first of all we find out quartile. Formula of quartile for discrete series, that is value of j. This is j. J in bracket n plus 1 upon fourth value, or you can take as fourth observation. Fourth observation, and that is 80. Here that 80 comes, so n is equals to 80. Now here quartile 1. So in place of j we write down 1. 1 in bracket 80 plus 1 upon fourth observation. If you simplify this, 81 upon 4 comes, so 20.25th value comes. Now here exactly 25.25, that is not given, and this we have to look into the CF. So this 20.25, that, so this 20.25 that exactly is not given, but 20.25 that lies between 20 and 21 observation. The 20 and 21 observation lies in this 25. So 25 is x value, that is our answer. This 20.25 is that lies in between 20 to 21, and this 20 and 21 that lies over here in the value of 25. 25 is x value, that is our answer. So Q1 is equals to 80. Now interpretation, we have to interpret it. Interpretation, that means we just have to write down one statement, that this quartile, that means 25% value. So age of 25% students will be 18 years or less. This is our statement. Now why it is 18 years or less? Because here 18 come, we cannot go ahead of 18, so 18 or less. Now the decile 4 is given to find out. First of all we write down formula for discrete series, that the value of j in bracket n plus 1 upon 10th observation. In place of j we write down 4, because j means this value only. So 4 in bracket 80 plus 1 upon decile, that means 10th value. So upon 10th observation. If you simplify this, then 32.4th value comes. 32.4 lies in between 32 and 33. So that 32 and 33 lies over here in the value of 47. राइट, ये 20 पर ख़त्म, 20 से आगे 47, तो यहाँ पे ही ये लाइज करेगा. सो 47 एक्स वैल्यू, दैट इज़ 19. So 19, that is our answer. Now its statement, that is age of 40% students will be 19 or less. Now the percentile 32. First of all, we write down formula. The value of j in bracket n plus 1 upon 100th value, 32 in bracket 80 plus 1 upon 100th value. Simplify this, then 25.92 value comes. Now see this 25.92 is given. यहाँ पे 25.92 exactly that is not given, and this is percentile value. So we have to split these values. For the percentile values, just splitting this 25.92, that first of all 25th observation plus separate this 0.92. So 0.92 in bracket 26th observation minus 25th observation, right? So 25 lies over here, so its x value, that is 18. So take 18 plus 0.92 in bracket 26 lies over here, its value, that is 19. So 19 minus 25 ka x value, that is 80. So 19 minus 18 comes 1. Right, now simplify this, then 18.92 comes. So our P32, that is 18.92. Now its statement, that is age of 32%. Students will be 18.92 years or less. Because of this percentile value here, exactly 100 that does not come, right? So we split this equation 25.92. Here 25 पे ख़त्म हो जाता है, so we split this equation. Now the next one, that is median, is given to find out. Formula of median is n plus 1 upon 2th observation, and that is 80 plus 1 upon 2th observation, so it comes 40.5. 40.5 that lies 40.5 that lies over here in the 47's x value, that is 19. So our median, that is also 19. Median means middlemost observation. Middlemost, that means 50% observation. So age of 50% students will be 19 years or less. So this is our interpretation. Now the homework for today, that is in last exercise, exercise 3, in that section D, in that sum number 8, that is in homework. Section D, sum number 8. Then section E, sum number 4. Section E, sum number 4. Sum number 4 and sum number 8. So today these 3 sums are in homework, right? So that's all for today.